Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda video. This is a part 2 from the previous video which I made, which is the rear brakes stuck. This is the kit or the parts which I need that are missing. These parts, see? This wire, that's what's missing. And as we got new this hardware, I'm gonna replace it too. Because that one is old and this might fix the problem that I got stuck in the first place. You never know, so let's do this. Now we're gonna change these first, and then when we put the pads back in, we're gonna put these in, and this is what presses out the pads, and this is what was missing. But as this kit from Febby Bilstein, we're gonna exchange these what are right here. So with one hand press this, the other one, bye bye, bye bye. They're at the back now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Now we're gonna put the new ones in. Okay, alright, then the highest point needs to go there. This on the bottom. Okay, that's tough actually. How those popped out, and this I need loads more force to pop these out. Okay. Okay, so this, the thickest is on the inside, yep. Okay, that's good. Check the clearance. Yep. Awesome. Now on the other side do the same. New hardware is in, perfect. We have some extras, or I don't know why Febby giving 4 extra more. I don't know why, but thank you Febby. That we won't need, we will need these two. If you want to know the tools, like the sizes of the tools, if you want to know the sizes of the tools or what tools I'm using for this video, go back and look at the original video. It's linked in the description down below. The very first link is for the video which I done this all, so you know what's up. So this is a part 2. Go check that one out if you want to know the tools and what kind of materials I use. This is just add on that to show you that I did purchase them and I put these in. I'll show you how to put these in. So if you watch those 2 videos, you'll be able to put everything together with old parts and new parts. You need these. If you don't have these on the rear, the pads will just stick. So right now we are in the situation, pins are greased, the caliper can go back in. This is meant to go in these 2 holes, this and this hole. Once you put it like this in, this wire will force the pads outwards. It will push it outwards. This will always make sure that these pads are forced against the caliper itself, against the piston and this caliper wall. So how I'm doing this, so these don't fly away once you try to put the caliper on, like holding with one hand and everything else. You put the caliper on, like on. See, the caliper is on. And right now I'm gonna lift this a bit up so I can reach the holes. There you go. Perfect. See, that's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to show you. See? There and there, you have enough gap. Now you can push this down. Push where it needs to be. Put this pin in. And then do the same with the top. Go in, in. Yay, victory! Here and here, it's in. And now I can just do this. Done. Put these back in and all done. It is a bit of a struggle, but that's how the brake system are. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!